I'm going to show you how to report competitor violations on Amazon. Let's dive in. First, we have to find a listing that's violating policies, and I easily found this purple toothpaste listing. It looks awesome, right? 1,000 sales, 110 ratings, but when we look at the reviews, we see this. This is so adorable, has great sticky that picks up lint, hair, and debris. This was in 2023. So I'm looking at the reviews, and most of the reviews are about a whole different product. So pretty much this is a listing that was doing really good. Somebody hijacked it, changed the whole listing to this purple toothpaste whitening, which is like viral on TikTok. Now they're taking tons of money and tons of sales, and it most likely doesn't even work. So the goal is to say, not today, Amazon seller, and report them. So there's multiple ways to report them, but the easiest way is to go into Amazon Seller Central. So you're going to go into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're simply going to go to Performance, Account Health, and you should see a Report Abuse button. Now this is where you can report abuse, and you can report if they're violating a policy, infringement, anything like that, right in Seller Central. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to click Product Detail Page Violates Amazon's Policies or is Misleading Customers. This one definitely violates Amazon's policies, and we're going to click on Content on Detail Page is incorrect or not allowed as per Amazon's policy. Once we're here, we're going to click Other, right? That's the reason, and then we can put the ASIN in here. Provide the incorrect or not allowed text to describe concern about the image. We're just going to provide information about the listing. Listing has fake, inaccurate reviews, and then we're going to go to Amazon's policy and find Amazon's policy so we can reference it. So I just Googled customer product reviews policy, and I found it right here. And specifically at the bottom, it says Amazon has a zero tolerance policy towards any customer review violations. If we detect any attempts to manipulate customer reviews, we take immediate actions that are included but not limited to pretty much like closing their listing. So pretty much what they're doing is they're manipulating customer reviews from the listing. So we can put that information in. This listing is manipulating customer reviews. This is how we know, and you can actually provide links to the reviews, right? The first review showing is a completely different review, so we can actually copy the link. This is a completely different product than ASIN. So these reviews, majority of these reviews are not allowed, and they should be removed from Amazon. And then most likely Amazon will review it and then remove the product. Now, if this doesn't work, you can also use Brand Registry, which is even more powerful. So all you have to do is go to brandregistry.amazon.com. And then once you're here, you're simply going to go to Support, Contact Brand Support. Once you're in Contact Brand Support, it's going to be similar. And there is Report a Marketplace Policy Violation. We're going to go to Other Product Review Violation. This could work as well, or Other Marketplace Policy Violations. I think since there's multiple reviews and there's multiple errors, I'm just going to put Review Manipulation. The best part about this one is you can actually add photos. The other one you couldn't. So if you do have access to brandregistry.amazon.com, it's going to be a better place to report it, in my professional opinion. So you're going to put the seller name, which is right here. Seller name, if you go up to the top, whoever's in the buy box, it has the seller name right now. Sold by early July, that's their seller name. You're gonna put that in, the URL of the page showing the Amazon's policies, which we just showed. I would take a screenshot as well as of Amazon's policy right here that shows attempts to manipulate customer reviews. And then I would also take a screenshot all the way at the bottom that literally shows the reviews that are being manipulated, right? That this is not the correct reviews, this isn't even the same product, and then send that to Amazon after a little bit of time, Amazon will respond and they'll most likely take down the listing or remove all of the reviews. So that's what you're going to do here. And you can always follow up with Amazon, which is really nice on Brand Registry. Now, a pro tip before we end the video is you can also purchase the product as a buyer. Now, this is a trick that I've done plenty of times for clients. So what you do is you purchase the product as a buyer. Right when you get the product, you take photos of it and you complain to Amazon that there's fake reviews on the product, it doesn't really work, and you want to escalate it, right? If you talk to Amazon buyer team like twice, they'll escalate it. Right when you talk to them, you do what I said. You do option number 1 and you report it here, and you do option number 2. So you hit it from 3 different directions, and then a red flag goes off in Amazon's system and the entire listing gets shut down. So that's what we do, and that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you've ever saw someone breaking Amazon's policies and what you did. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just selling on Amazon in general, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full Amazon A to Z account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon just for them to fix an issue. Save time and money, increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.